Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve which number is larger, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 5 power 22, we can write this as 5 power 2 times 11, and here we can write it as 3 power 3 times 11. According to exponent rule, x power mn, we can write it as x power m power n or x power n power n. So it becomes 5 power 2 power 11. Similarly, 3 power 3 power 11. So 5 square is 25 whole power 11 and 3 cube is 27 whole power 11. Now, if the powers are same, we can compare the base. So 27 is greater. So we can say that 3 power 33 is greater than 5 power 22. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.